ओके,
सब प्रॉपर है, सब प्रॉपर है।
ठीक है। तो करना क्या है ना हमें, मैं हिंदी में समझाता हूँ ताकि सबको क्लियर हो जाए, सबको अच्छे से। तो करना क्या है हमें कि यहाँ से हम कोड पे जाएंगे, ठीक है। और पहले क्या कर रहे थे हम लोग, ये ओपन विथ गिटहब डेस्कटॉप कर रहे थे। अब हम दूसरा स्टेप को लेते हैं दूसरे तरीका से, इसे कॉपी कर लेते हैं,
हम्म,
ये यूआरएल को। ठीक है, ये कॉपीड हो गया। अब चलिए अपने
ठीक है।
डेस्कटॉप पे, और डेस्कटॉप पे सपोज जहां भी आपका प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, मान लीजिए कि मैं यहीं पे बनाना चाह रहा हूँ, एक फोल्डर हम क्रिएट कर लेंगे अपना, ठीक है।
हम्म,
मान लीजिए मेरा नाम रहा ट्रेनिंग, ठीक है। अब क्या करना है, इस ट्रेनिंग वाला फोल्डर को हमें कमांड में ओपन करना है, सीएमडी में। तो करना कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे कर्सर रखिए सबसे ऊपर, ठीक है। वो हाईलाइट हो रहा है सारा। अब यहाँ पे आपको बैक और ये वो कुछ नहीं, डायरेक्ट टाइप करना है सीएमडी, ठीक है। और इंटर मारिए। इंटर करने के बाद आपको ये लोकेशन दिख रहा होगा सीएमडी में,
ठीक है।
सी यूजर कौशल डेस्कटॉप ट्रेनिंग, दिख रहा है ना।
ठीक।
मतलब हम ट्रेनिंग फोल्डर के अंदर है डायरेक्ट। और एक
हम्म,
कमांड लेना है, git क्लोन। चाहिए तो कमांड लिख लीजिए ये, नहीं तो वीडियो में ऑलरेडी है। git क्लोन करना है, और git क्लोन करने के बाद हम लोग ये कॉपी करके लाए थे ना यूआरएल को यहाँ से,
हाँ हाँ।
हाँ उसे पेस्ट करना है। तो पेस्ट, यहाँ पे आपको कंट्रोल भी काम नहीं करेगा कमांड ये सीएमडी में। अगर हम ट्राई करते हैं कंट्रोल भी, देखिए सिर्फ इसने वी लिख दिया। तो कंट्रोल भी और कंट्रोल सी काम नहीं करता है सीएमडी में। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, राइट क्लिक करेंगे, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे देखिए एक ऑप्शन है पेस्ट, पेस्ट कर दीजिए, हो गया। ये होता है सीएमडी में, हम लोग वो शॉर्टकट काम नहीं करता है बहुत बार। तो इस टाइप से, और हिट इंटर कर दीजिए। जब हिट इंटर किए ना, तो देखिए एक पीछे फोल्डर बन गया ट्रेनिंग नाम का, और यहाँ पे कुछ चालू हो गया। ये क्या दे दिया, प्लीज मेक श्योर यू हैव द करेक्ट एक्सेस राइट, परमिशन डिनाइड, पब्लिक की, कुड नॉट रीड फ्रॉम रिमोट रिपोजिटरी, सी ड्राइव का इशू कुछ दे रहा लगता है। अच्छा, तो ये सारा स्टेप यही है, समझ गए। मैं एक बार ट्राई करता हूँ इसे अंदर का फोल्डर में ले जाकर, देखता हूँ। अब अगर ऐसा एरर दिया ना, तो क्या कीजिएगा, एक से एक काम करता हूँ ना, डायरेक्ट हमें फोल्डर तो मिल जाएगा यहाँ पर। मैं यहीं पे सीएमडी ले लेता हूँ, सीएमडी। और हमारा कमांड क्या था, git क्लोन, ओके। एंड हमारा पेस्ट करना था, पेस्ट करके एंटर। तो ये फोल्डर बनाएगा ट्रेनिंग नाम का, ये दिया। मतलब ये क्या कर रहा है, एक्सेस नहीं दे रहा है। क्या कीजिए, लॉग आउट कीजिए इसे, गिट को, ठीक है। साइन आउट, साइन आउट, साइन आउट। क्योंकि बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, बहुत दिन तक वो साइन इन रहने के कारण वो एक्सेस नहीं देता है बहुत बार। तो इसे साइन आउट करके हम फिर से साइन इन कर लेंगे। और अब इसका रेपोजिटरी को लीजिए, और इसे कॉपी करते हैं, ओके। अब यहाँ आते हैं, और हमारा कमांड क्या है, git क्लोन, git क्लोन, और लीजिए राइट क्लिक एंड पेस्ट, एंटर। लेट्स वेरीफाई। ओ माय गॉड, ये क्या दे दिया, git, कुछ तो एरर। ओके ओके, 1 सेकेंड, वेट वेट वेट। ओह, ये हो गया था, देखिए। ये एसएसएच को नहीं लेना है, ये एचटीटीपीएस वाला लेना है, ठीक है। ये मेरा पता नहीं गलती से कैसे क्लिक हुआ वो, और ये लेके चलना है, git क्लोन, और पेस्ट कीजिए और एंटर कीजिए। अब ये क्लोन कर लेगा। ट्रेनिंग नाम का फोल्डर बना नीचे, ये देखिए कमांड चल रहा है सारा, ये अब फाइल को ले रहा है। हो रहा है ना, नीचे देख रहे हैं परसेंटेज आ रहा है ना, 2 MB गया फाइल, 57% हुआ, टोटल 174। अब देखिए फाइल की ट्रेनिंग नाम का फोल्डर कहाँ है, टी 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 कहाँ बनाया, हाँ ये नीचे बना, अच्छा ये रहा। अभी देखिए इस पे आ रहा है, जब तक ये 100% नहीं होगा ना, वहां पे नहीं आएगा कंप्लीट। समझ में आया यहाँ तक। अब देखिए ये 100% किया, यहाँ फाइल हमारा आ गया ट्रेनिंग नाम का फोल्डर में। क्लियर हुआ ये या नहीं, हेलो।
हाँ जी क्लियर हो गया है इस चीज
क्लियर
को।
हुआ ना? अब इतना करने के बाद इसे अब हमारा जरूरत नहीं है, इसको हम कट कर देंगे। क्या केयर करना था आपको समझ में आया? कॉपी करने के टाइम यहाँ HTTPS होना चाहिए, इसे नहीं लेना है। बीच वाला कोई गलती से भी क्लिक हो गया तो फिर गड़बड़ करेगा वो, ये रहना चाहिए हमेशा। उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, ये आ गया। अब तो आगे तो पता ही होगा कि VS कोड में कैसे लाते हैं उस फोल्डर को, कि वो बताना होगा।
बता दीजिए सर एक बार।
हाँ सही है, फ्री में मिले तो सब लेते जाइए। देखिए यहाँ ओपन फोल्डर है ना, ओपन फोल्डर को क्लिक करेंगे। मैं लेकिन अपना नहीं लाऊंगा, वरना मेरा ये पूरा गायब होके फिर वो आ जाएगा। यहाँ देखिए, ओपन फोल्डर को क्लिक करने के बाद अपना हम जहाँ फाइल लोकेशन जहाँ रखे हैं फोल्डर को, उसे ले लेंगे। तो मेरा फाइल का नाम क्या आया, ट्रेनिंग आया ना, तो ये ट्रेनिंग को हम क्लिक कर लेंगे, ये बाहर वाला, सॉरी कहाँ गया, ट्रेनिंग, ये फोल्डर, यहाँ फोल्डर दिखा दिया होगा आपको ट्रेनिंग, ठीक है। और इसे सिलेक्ट फोल्डर कर लेंगे। मैं नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि मेरा नहीं तो फिर ये उल्टा कर लेगा, रहेगा सेम, क्योंकि वो भी तो मेरा ही ब्रांच है, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। बट फिर भी चलिए एक काम करता हूँ, यहाँ देख लेता हूँ पहले, कुछ है नहीं ना। अच्छा इसमें एक गिट कमिट बचा हुआ था, क्या कमिट करना था इसमें, वेरीफाई करने दीजिए पहले। ओरिजिन मेन के, देखिए मुझे ये पुश करना पड़ेगा कोड को, यहाँ पे मैंने एक चेंज किया था। इतना समझ में आ गया ना कि नहीं आया, फोल्डर को कैसे लेते हैं जो, यहाँ जब हम जाएंगे ओपन फोल्डर कर लेंगे, ठीक है। और हम जिस फाइल में रखे हैं ना उसे, आप नया फाइल मत बनाइएगा, नया फोल्डर, सॉरी नया फोल्डर मत बनाइएगा, ये ऑलरेडी एक ट्रेनिंग नाम का फोल्डर बना देगा। नहीं तो आप एक बनाइएगा ट्रेनिंग, उसके अंदर दूसरा ट्रेनिंग मत बनाइएगा। डायरेक्ट जिस फाइल में जहां पे रखना है गिट, बस वैसे कर देना है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद इस फोल्डर को हम सिलेक्ट फोल्डर कर लेंगे, तो हमारा ट्रेनिंग फोल्डर ऑटोमेटिक सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। कोई दिक्कत? चलिए भाई कर ही देता हूँ, देखता हूँ। ओवरराइड पता है वो तो मुझे करेगा ही। यहाँ तक समझ में आया? देखिए आ गया ना मेरा फोल्डर ट्रेनिंग नाम का ऊपर, और इसके अंदर सारा फाइल रहा मेरा। और यहाँ पे आपको अभी देखिए रेपोजिटरी ये नहीं ले पाया है गिट का कि कौन सा ब्रांच है या क्या, वो आएगा कुछ देर में, वो रिफ्रेश करने के बाद। देखिए नीचे दिया ब्रांच। आप बोलिए, किसी को दिक्कत समझ में आई?
सर समझ में आया सर।
अब तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं ना है?
धन्यवाद सर, थैंक यू। नहीं नहीं
हाँ अभी, अभी भी आप बोलिएगा कि कुछ और बता दीजिए, एक फाइल कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे वो ही बता दीजिए।
नहीं सर, और
चलिए
नहीं।
चलिए मैं अपना ब्रांच ले आया, मुझे नहीं चाहिए वो फाइल एक्चुअली। बट ओ माय गॉड, मोंगो डीबी क्यों डिल ओपन हो रहा है, ये इसे डिलीट मारा, मुझे नहीं चाहिए थी। तो सबको क्लियर हो गया कि कैसे करना है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं अब तो है। उसके बाद आपको देखिए वीडियो में आपको मिल जाएगा, कुछ कुछ कमांड वहां पे बताया हुआ है कि कैसे करना है। तो एक बार वो वीडियो को देखिए, वो पूरा क्लियर होगा। क्योंकि गेट पुल पुश कैसे करना है ना, वो हमें पर डे फॉलो अप करेंगे उस चीज को, ठीक है। तो चलिए, हाँ
एक मिनट, मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा था, आप एक बार मुझे प्रोसीजर बताएं, क्योंकि मैं वो चीज कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे में एरर दिखा रहा है दूसरा।
ठीक ठीक शेयर कीजिए। 1 सेकंड मैं स्टॉप करता हूँ। हाँ
स्क्रीन
लाइए,
विजिबल है?
हाँ आ रहा है, आ गया।
ठीक है, तो
जाइए कोड पे।
कोड पे गए, इसको कॉपी किया।
हाँ ठीक है,
उसके, उसके बाद मैं इसको डी ड्राइव में यहाँ जाके मैं CMD करूँ।
ठीक है, हाँ
CMD।
एंटर कीजिए। लिखिए क्या था कमांड पहला, git clone, GIT
GIT
स्पेस क्लोन, स्पेस क्लोन स्पेस, हाँ
क्लोन, देन फिर
स्पेस
स्पेस।
स्पेस, हाँ अब पेस्ट कीजिए, राइट क्लिक एंड पेस्ट करेंगे। हाँ एंटर मारिए। अब ये क्लोनिंग कर रहा है, थोड़ा सा रुकिए।
अच्छा,
हाँ ये क्लोन होना स्टार्ट हो गया, समझ गए।
समझ
और
गया
फिर
मैं, समझ
VS कोड में, और VS कोड में जस्ट एक कोड को इंपोर्ट कर लेंगे। और दूसरा चीज देखिए, तो इतना तक क्लियर हो गया सबका, कोई इशू नहीं, ये बहुत शॉर्टकट है, इससे ज्यादा शॉर्टकट अब नहीं है। देखिए
ये पूरा
आपका आ
फाइल आ
गया,
गया इसमें तो।
हाँ डी में
हाँ,
आ गया,
ट्रेनिंग
देखिए
करके आ गया।
ट्रेनिंग नाम का फोल्डर। अब इसे कट कर लीजिए।
ठीक है, रुकिए रुकिए रुकिए।
हाँ सारा हो गया फाइल आपका। अब जाइए आप वीएस कोड ओपन कीजिए, वीएस कोड में फाइल को लाइए, वहां पर, वहां से नहीं, ऊपर फाइल क्लिक कीजिए, हाँ ओपन फोल्डर, ओपन
ओपन
फोल्डर।
ट्रेनिंग।
लेकिन उसे लीजिएगा तो आपका कोई चेंजेस है क्या, आपका जरूरत वाला है इसमें कोई कोड आपका अभी जो करंट चल रहा है उसमें?
मेरे सारे हैं, मेरे करंट मतलब कोई है नहीं ऐसा कि मेरे को कोई बहुत एसेंशियल है।
ओके ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, अगर रहेगा भी ना तो आपका वो जहाँ पे फाइल है वहां रहेगा वो, आप वहां से
हाँ,
कॉपी करके इसमें पेस्ट कर सकते हैं।
ठीक ठीक ठीक, तो यहाँ से ओपन किया।
हाँ सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए, एक सेकंड रुक जाइए, वो स्वैप करेगा, लाएगा वो दूसरा, शायद सेलेक्ट नहीं हुआ आपका। हाँ घूम तो रहा है आइकन, रुकिए रुकिए, फिर से कीजिए, ओपन फोल्डर लीजिए।
फोल्डर ट्रेनिंग, या तो कुछ दिखा नहीं
आपका
रहा है।
एक सेकंड, आप तो दिस पीसी में जा रहे हैं, आपने तो डी में बनाया।
वही 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 मैं भी कह रहा कि कहाँ कहाँ चला गया।
डी लीजिए, हाँ
Correct.
सिलेक्ट कीजिए, ये हुआ। अब इसे वो चेक बॉक्स कर देते तो हमेशा नहीं मांगता वो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं,
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक
चलेगा।
ठीक।
ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आ गया आपका, नीचे मेन ब्रांच दिखा रहा है, हाँ लेकिन ब्रांच केयर कीजिएगा, आप अपने अपने ब्रांच में ही काम कीजिएगा, ये नहीं कि मेन में पुश कर दिए सबका कोड गया।
अच्छा
यहाँ
अच्छा,
देखिए सारा ब्रांच दिखा रहा है ना आपको, जितने भी
हाँ
लोगों
बस
का ब्रांच है सारा आएगा।
सारा दिखा रहा था, ठीक है। और मैं मेन पे चला जाऊँ।
हाँ अभी जैसे कि आप अपने ब्रांच पे गए, अब एक काम कीजिए, हाँ मैं बताता हूँ आपको, आप ट्रेनिंग वाला ओपन कीजिए, ट्रेनिंग फोल्डर जो है ना ऊपर ऊपर, डेवलपर क्या लिखा हुआ है वहां पे, नीचे नीचे,
ये
आउटलाइन के ऊपर, आउटलाइन आउटलाइन के ऊपर ट्रेनिंग, नहीं नहीं इसे नहीं
आउटलाइन।
क्लिक करना है, ये
अच्छा ये
देखिए एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड, रिसेंट के पास देख रहे हैं आपको लिखा हुआ है ट्रेनिंग HTML, ये सारा ये सब चीज, ये एक्चुअली क्या है ना कि दूसरा जो प्रोजेक्ट आप पहले खोले हुए थे उसका लोकेशन ये दिखाते रहता है यहाँ कुछ कुछ,
अच्छा
जैसे देख
अच्छा,
रहे हैं पहला जो दिखा रहा है सी ड्राइव में दिखा रहा है
ठीक
ना,
है।
तो उसे क्लिक कीजिएगा ना तो ये पूरा क्लोज होके वो लोकेशन खुल जाएगा, तो
अच्छा
इसलिए उसे मत कीजिएगा। हाँ ट्रेनिंग वाला को क्लिक कीजिए आप एक्सप्लोरर के नीचे, अभी आपका कोड ये है, मेन को स्विच कीजिए आप अपने ब्रांच में, सबसे नीचे अपना ब्रांच लीजिए, सारे लोग देख लीजिए, ये नहीं कि फिर हाँ फिर से बताइए, तो पता चलेगा ना कि हम लोग HTML में ही आगे और पीछे हो रहे हैं, तो HTML डेवलपर ही बन के रह जाएंगे। टर्मिनल ओपन कीजिए, नहीं आएगा
टर्म
वो, उसे खींचना पड़ेगा बाहर से, वहां से हमें
अच्छा
न्यू टर्मिनल, न्यू
न्यूटन।
टर्मिनल सबसे फर्स्ट। अब
ठीक।
देख लिया कीजिएगा कि हम फोल्डर में है या नहीं, तो देखिए आपका प्रोजेक्ट भी ट्रेनिंग फोल्डर में है और हम भी ट्रेनिंग में टर्मिनल खुला हुआ है, ठीक है,
ठीक है।
ठीक है, वो कैपिटल स्मॉल का कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो राइट क्लिक करके कीजिएगा ना तो वो भी आ जाएगा। यहाँ लिखिए गिट, GIT गिट, गिट स्पेस दीजिए, कभी भी गिट कमांड लिखिए स्पेस मारिए क्योंकि एक स्पेस चाहिए, पुल लीजिए PULL, स्पेस दीजिए, गिट पुल ओरिजिन ORIGIN, ओरिजिन स्पेस दीजिए, और जो हमारा एक ब्रांच है ना वो मेन है, MAIN मेन, मेन लिखिए। ये सारा कमांड हमें क्या करना है ना, हर एक दिन मैं कोड को पुश कर दूंगा, आपको ये कमांड रन करके अपना कोड ले लेना है, इंटर मार दीजिए, तो ये जब कमांड रन कीजिएगा ना कमांड, तो मेन ब्रांच से आपको कोड आपके ब्रांच में मिल जाएगा। तो देखिए वो सारा आ गया आपके लोकल ब्रांच पे, ऋत्विक ब्रांच में
हाँ।
देखिए आएगा, पहले वो नहीं था। तो अब क्या हुआ कि आपके ये लोकल पे सारा ब्रांच में अवेलेबल हो गया कोड, तो पर डे आपको मैं इधर पुश कर दूंगा, आप अपना पुल कर लीजिए। आप देखिए आप, स्टेप बताता हूँ अगर आप भूल जाते हैं, notes.txt फाइल है उसे ओपन कीजिए,
नोट.txt, ठीक है।
सबसे नीचे यहाँ देखिए सारा कमांड लिखा हुआ है, पहला देखिए लाइन नंबर 8, गिट कमांड, क्या करना है, ओपन सोर्स कंट्रोल एंड सेलेक्ट चेंजेस फाइल बाय प्रेसिंग प्लस, कहाँ है सोर्स कंट्रोल पता है,
सोर्स कंट्रोल।
लेफ्ट साइड फाइल के नीचे सर्च वाला, लेफ्ट साइड कंप्लीट लेफ्ट जाइए, आप कंप्लीट लेफ्ट जाइए, सर्च के नीचे आइए, थर्ड वाला। हाँ,
ठीक
वो
है।
देखिए सोर्स कंट्रोल दिखा रहा है ना, वो सोर्स
हाँ
कंट्रोल है, नाम वहां पे दिखाया। अब देखिए अगला क्या लिख रहा है, ओपन सोर्स कंट्रोल चेंजेस, ये सिंक चेंजेस दे रहा है ना, क्लिक कर दीजिए,
same।
ब्लू कलर का जो आ रहा है, क्लिक मार दीजिए। एक सेकंड, क्या लिखा है, 1 सेकंड, will push and pull commit to you from origin ऋत्विक, will push and pull commit, ओके ठीक है, ओके कीजिए। देखिए कुछ इश्यू तो नहीं करता है ना, जहाँ तक तो नहीं करना चाहिए वो तो। अब चेक कीजिए तो पहला वाला फाइल एक्सप्लोरर का जो है वो क्लिक कीजिए तो
फाइल
फाइल,
एक्सप्लोरर।
हाँ
ये
फाइल के, हाँ वही, हाँ हाँ ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। हाँ तो पहला स्टेप क्या करना है, हमें गिट सोर्स कंट्रोल ओपन करना है। जब भी कोई चेंजेस रहेगा ना, चेंजेस अभी हमारे पास 0 है ना, तो ये स्टेप फॉलो करने जाना है। जब चेंज कीजिएगा ना, एक काम कीजिए, इस पेज में नोट डॉट टीएक्सटी में लाइन नंबर 19 के बाद एक इंटर मार दीजिए, एक इंटर मारिए, सेव कीजिए। आपका एक चेंजेस आ गया, कंट्रोल एस कीजिए। अब देखिए आपका चेंज एक आ गया ना चेंजेस में। अब चेंजेस
हम्म।
में क्या करना है, प्लस बटन को हमें प्रेस करना है, प्लस कीजिए।
ठीक है।
प्लस करने के बाद अब क्या करना है, उसी चीज को नीचे 12 लाइन नंबर 12 लिखा हुआ है, git add स्पेस डॉट देना है। तो उस प्रोसेस से भी कर सकते हैं। तो इसे एक काम कीजिए, स्टेज से हटाइए, तो स्टेज के पास नोट डॉट टीएक्सटी है, कर्सर ले जाइए।
कहाँ पर?
स्टेज चेंजेस में, चेंजेस के ऊपर नोट्स डॉट टीएक्सटी है ना, कर्सर ले जाइए। नहीं,
नोट।
नोट्स डॉट टीएक्सटी, हाँ वहां माइनस दिखा रहा है बगल में आपको,
हाँ हाँ।
क्लिक कीजिए, क्लिक कीजिए, अनस्टेज हो जाएगा, मतलब फिर से वापस आ जाएगा। देखिए चेंजेस में आ गया ना। अब
ठीक
हमें
ठीक।
git git add वाला प्रोसेस को अपनाइए, लाइन नंबर 12 कमांड को वो लिखिए टर्मिनल में। क्या लिखिएगा, git add, नहीं नहीं वो नहीं लिखिए, स्पेस को नहीं लिखना है। आप
अच्छा।
लिखिए, मैनुअली लिखिए, मैनुअली लिखिए, वो हिंट के लिए मैं कर दिया हूँ, वरना वो गलत कर देते सब। git लाइन नंबर 67 वहां लिखा हुआ है, देखिए, हटाइए उसे, 67 फर्स्ट में।
हम्म।
हाँ, git लिखिए, git git स्पेस add add स्पेस डॉट, एक सिंगल डॉट, कमांड ये है, ठीक है, इंटर कीजिए। अभी देखिएगा चेंजेस जो आपका है ना, वो स्टेज में चला जाएगा, ऊपर चला जाएगा, हो गया ना। वही चीज हम लोग प्लस से किए थे। इसके बाद क्या करना है, हमें गिट कमिट करना है, कीजिए गिट कमिट हाइफन एम,
इट
गिट कमिट हाइफन
कमिट।
एम, और हाँ, कमिट हाइफन एम स्पेस देकर, एक ही बार हाँ ठीक है, स्पेस दीजिए फिर, और डबल कोट में कोई भी मैसेज डाल दीजिए कि क्या ये क्या किए हैं इस चीज में, लाइक हम फर्स्ट चेंज मान लीजिए, कुछ नहीं फर्स्ट चेंज है, लिख दीजिए फर्स्ट चेंज या टेस्टिंग कुछ भी। एक सेकंड मैं पानी लेता हूँ, और इसके बाद इंटर करके फिर पुश कीजिएगा सेकंड कमांड।
गिट पुश।
एक सेकंड, हाँ इसके बाद गिट पुश कीजिए। गिट पुश कर दिए ना, गिट पुश हुआ है क्या आपका?
हाँ ये देखिए।
हाँ गिट पुश, हाँ तो गिट पुश हो गया, मतलब आपके लोकल ब्रांच में वो कोड चला गया। तो गिट पुश तक सारे लोग को क्या करना है, कि जो भी पर डे एक्टिविटी होगा, आप जो भी मतलब मान लीजिए आज क्लास हुआ, आपने कुछ प्रैक्टिस किया, और कल उसे आप क्या कीजिएगा, पुश कर दीजिएगा कोड को। तो मैं ब्रांच चेक करके, मतलब स्विच करके मैं देख लूंगा कि आपने क्या किया। समझ में आ गया? तो यहाँ तक हर एक आदमी को आना चाहिए ये सारा स्टेप जो लिखा हुआ है नोट डॉट टीएक्सटी में, ठीक है। जब हम कोई भी चेंजेस करेंगे ना, तो आप गिट पुल जो लिखा हुआ है ना, वहां मैं ऐड किया हुआ है, मैं आपको कोड पुश कर देता हूँ, रुकिए। गिट ऐड स्पेस डॉट फाइल will hit original line working directly, okay, git it hyphen m एडेड ORIGIN origin, git push हो गया, git USH git push के इसमें कर दिया। अब मुझे git उसको करके दीजिए मेन में। अब आप एक कमांड लिखिए, वो git pull वाला जो कमांड है ना ऋत्विक।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी भाई।
हाँ, वो जो git pull का जो कमांड है ना नीचे, वहां लिखिए git pull।
एक 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 मिनट रुकिएगा, 1 मिनट बस।
ठीक ठीक।
7:30 बज गए ना।
क्या हो गया? अच्छा, मैसेज आ रहा है क्या? ओके। बाकी सबको क्लियर हुआ या नहीं? किन्हीं को कोई दिक्कत?
ओके, मैं फिर से शेयर कर रहा हूँ।
नो सर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
अच्छा,
हाँ जी, अब बताइए इसमें।
हाँ, लिखिए कमांड git pull, सबसे लास्ट जो कमांड लिखा हुआ है 79, git pull स्पेस दीजिए, ओरिजिन लिखिए ORIGIN ओरिजिन स्पेस दीजिए, मेन MAIN, हाँ MAIN, एंटर कीजिए। यहाँ पे देखिएगा आपको लाइन नंबर 17 में कुछ कोड आ जाएगा। आया? अब क्या करना है, ये आपको क्या कर रहा है, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कह रहा है। क्यों कह रहा है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट? क्योंकि आप में भी वही चीज लिखा हुआ है, वहां भी वही चीज है। तो क्या
अच्छा।
कीजिए, तो देखिए एक्सेप्ट बोथ चेंजेस दिखा रहा है आपको लिखा हुआ वहां पे, कर्सर वहां पे जाइए, लाइन नंबर 17 के ऊपर कर्सर ले जाइए आप ऊपर जाइए। हाँ रुकिए, तो यहाँ देखिए क्या दे रहा है, एक्सेप्ट करेंट चेंज, एक्सेप्ट इनकमिंग, 1 सेकंड, एक्सेप्ट बोथ चेंज। तो हम इसमें से कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा कि कौन हमारा है और कौन नया आ रहा है। ठीक है, इसको बोलते हैं क्या चीज, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट। जब आप कोड कीजिएगा ना, जब मल्टीपल आदमी ब्रांच पे काम कर रहा है, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट यही होता है। आपने कोड डाला, वही चीज किसी ने और डाल दिया, तो ये एरर दिखाना स्टार्ट करेगा कि आपका कोड ही जो किसी के पास है। हमें कौन चाहिए, ऊपर वाला चाहिए या नीचे वाला? हमें नीचे वाला चाहिए। ठीक है, तो ऊपर जो आ रहा है ना उसको करंट चेंज है, बट हमें करंट नहीं चाहिए। ठीक है, तो सेकंड को क्लिक कीजिए, एक्सेप्ट इनकमिंग चेंजेस, हाँ क्लिक कीजिए उसे। देखिए अभी क्या हुआ, git pull origin main ये हमारा आ गया सेव। और ऊपर देखिए वो मर्ज के पास दे रहा है ना, सोर्स कंट्रोल में लेफ्ट साइड मर्ज चेंजेस कुछ मैसेज आ गया है ना बहुत सारा। हाँ ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर, हाँ अब उसके ऊपर टिक मारने का है। हाँ क्लिक कीजिए। अच्छा, हाँ एक सेकंड कैंसिल कीजिए, आप सेव नहीं किए हैं फाइल को, आपका सेव बचा हुआ है, सेव कीजिए, कंट्रोल एस। हाँ रुक जाइए, अब जाइए मर्ज चेंजेस में, देखिए तो मर्ज वाला में नीचे नीचे नोट डॉट टीएक्सटी है लेफ्ट साइड सबसे ऊपर, हाँ वहां पे प्लस कीजिए। हाँ एक सेकेंड, अब ऊपर टिक मार दीजिए, अब सिंक चेंज कर लीजिए, ओके कर दीजिए। बस अब क्या हुआ कि जो भी चेंजेस था आपका वहां हो गया। तो जब कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है ना तो थोड़ा सा टीडियस टास्क हो जाता है, तो उसका इशू नहीं है, वो स्लोली स्लोली हो जाएगा, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं आएगा। इसीलिए जितना भी फोल्डर बनाइए अपना नाम से बनाइए, कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आएगा ही नहीं किसी को कभी। क्लियर हो गया या नहीं?
समझ गए समझ गए।
हाँ, तो हम लोग को ये सारा देखिए वहां सारा कमांड आपको मिल गया, git pull origin main सेम कमांड पेस्ट कर देना है। ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं। हाँ लाइन नंबर 12 का जो कमांड है उसमें केयर कीजिएगा, git add स्पेस डॉट लगाना है, स्पेस नहीं लिखना है उसमें, ये नहीं कि वो पूरा कॉपी पेस्ट है।
ठीक।
मैं उसे नहीं तो हटा दूंगा स्पेस को, पूरा अपना
हाँ।
फिर कॉपी पेस्ट करना इजी रहेगा सबको।
हम्म।
चलिए, तो पिछला दिन हम लोग क्या देखे थे, फॉर्म। तो एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट इन रिगार्डिंग फॉर्म? एनी डाउट और नो डाउट? Hello? Any doubt or not? No doubt. Okay. So now what we will do? Today we will cover one topic, semantic. Okay. After that we will move in another part. So anyone have idea what is semantic? Anyone? Any idea? Ugrisen, any idea?
No, sir.
No idea? Okay. So actually, see, suppose we had taken, what are the, can anyone tell what are the types of tag we had taken?
H1, H2, H6 paragraph pre-tag.
Okay. So we had taken H1, H2 like this type. Okay. So any other tag?
Table form.
Okay. So suppose we taking H1. Praful, can you explain what you getting from H1? Are you getting any sense from H1?
H1.
If I suppose, no, means don't go technically. Okay. 1 second. Suppose you telling to someone that you have to take H1. Okay. Or from the coding side, you telling to someone that this is H1 or you have to take H1. Whether that unknown person will get any idea regarding H1 or not. What he will get from that? If you're not explaining him that this will do heading, title, bold, this, that, these things. So will he get any idea?
Yes, sir.
What he will get?
Because
What he will get? Which type of idea he will get?
they are heading and most important part are largest.
That's okay. But if you will tell to any non-technical guy, will he get a sense with that H1?
H1 means
See,
titles.
that's
Title.
okay. Means if you're telling that thing to technical guy, he will get that. Okay. If you're telling H1, you have to take H1. Then anyone who is, I mean, say, who is working in the software domain or who is now attending the class, they will get idea. You telling H1 means bold, largest. Okay. But if you're telling this thing to any other guy who is walking outside, roaming outside, will he get any sense with that H1?
No, he will not get any sense because
No.
he is
He will
not
not get
with.
because he not attended class. That's
But
okay. But suppose that if you're telling to anyone form, okay, FORM, what sense he will get? He will get any sense with form?
Yes, he will get sense.
He will get sense means you telling to fill any form, you discussing regarding any type of form, maybe admission form, something different type. Correct or not?
Correct.
1 second. What is that H? There is exclamation mark. Okay. See, one shortcut to writing this all structure I'm showing you. What you will do? You will take this exclamation mark, okay, and press a tab button. You will get this completely. You need to write HTM, then you will get suggestion, those things. Getting the point? How I told? Had anybody?
Which button, sir?
Yeah, see, I'm showing again. Take exclamation mark, which is available number 1, which is available in number 1, exclamation mark. Okay. And press a enter. With enter it will come. Yeah, with enter also it will come, or otherwise we can press a tab button. And you will press tab when you getting this type. That's okay. 1 second. Here it came exclamation. Okay, this type we can get this structure. Same thing we can get that also. So yeah, what I was discussing. Okay, form. So suppose that 1 second, day 8, correct? Yeah. So in 8 days, we had completed HTML. So Praful, we was taking H1. Okay, that is a heading. Okay, fine. Now be taken form. Okay, if you're telling to anyone, this is form. With form, what is that a name? Means for showing that title of the form. Which data, which tag we had taken yesterday?
Label.
Abhishek. Abhishek.
Label,
Which
sir. Label.
no, not label. Label is for input field. Means showing input field means like enter your name, enter your password, those things. That was different. What was that? As like a
Legend.
table. Which one? Legend.
Legend.
I not thinking legend was that.
For caption, no?
Yeah, for caption.
It was legend only.
Oh, legend. Yeah, correct. So we have to take a legend. Oh, sorry. Coming there. Okay. So suppose I had written admission or form. Okay. Suppose I take an admission form. If you will tell to anyone that this is admission form, he will get easily. Correct. But suppose that if I not telling him anything, if he will get from here, he will visualize that this is H1. So that's why it is means highlighted or bold and large. But when it's written that admission form, from here he will get sense. But what about from here? Whether he will get sense from here or not with the help of form tag itself?
No.
How? From that form tag, he will get idea that some form is there. Correct?
Yes.
Suppose I taking table. So suppose I taken this type of table. Sure, he will get idea that this representing some table data or table something like that. But when I taking paragraph, whether he will get anything from this one, he will think ABCD something is written there like that. Suppose be taking footer. Okay. So suppose be taken footer, sure he will get some sense with
Yes.
this one that
Yes.
it will contain some footer data. Means this data will be in the bottom like that. So he see here itself. Suppose, oh my God, MDN. Suppose be taken body. Okay. So anybody can easily get with the coding itself that this will as a body. This will act as a body part. Suppose form means some form data. Suppose a table means a table data. Suppose P, I don't know what it will do. Suppose footer means it will contain the data in the bottom. Suppose you taking a span. Same thing. We don't know what it will do. Correct or not? So what are you getting from this thing actually? Abhishek, had you realized we are taking some tag which making you sense, some of tag which not making any sense. Getting that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Which tag had make sense? Now go one by one. Do fast. What about this? It will make sense or not?
No, no.
Not no sense. Okay. What about form?
Makes sense.
Yes,
Make
sir.
sense.
Makes sense.
Table.
Makes
Makes
sense, sir.
sense.
Okay. What about P?
No, makes sense.
Okay. What about footer?
Makes
Sense.
sense.
Makes sense, sir.
Okay. What about a span?
Makes sense.
No.
Makes sense. So see, whatever things making sense and one thing is there not making sense means there are two type of things means the two type of tag itself. One is semantic and one is non-semantic. Semantic in the sense just go with shortcut itself. Semantic. Semantic. Okay. Just take S. S means semantic. Semantic means sense. Okay. SENSE means meaningful. What we can tell? MEANIN meaningful. Okay. So suppose some tag who going to make sense meaningful, then that is comes under which one? Semantic category. Okay. And another is a non-semantic. What about this one? Now tell.
Doesn't make sense.
Yeah. So it's not going to make any sense. Doesn't
Make sense.
make sense. Now I think you can make category of that one. Who will make sense and who will not. Okay. Now go fast, one by one. Tell any one tag. Praful, tell me one tag. Shivani, you have to tell non-semantic tag.
Sir, BR.
Vivekan, BR, which one?
Sir, H1,
Semantic.
P,
Okay. H1.
PE, span,
Okay. P.
Spray tag.
Okay.
footer,
Okay. Wait.
no
1
footer.
second. Okay. Now come to semantic. Abhishek, tell me semantic
Sir,
tag.
legend,
Sir,
Yeah, 1
footer.
second. Semantic, you telling footer. Okay. Next,
Form.
legend,
Table.
telling form. Okay.
Table tag.
Table tag. Okay. TABLE table tag. Okay. Next,
sir, caption tag,
I don't know whether that will come under this or not, but I writing.
EM
So
tag.
see where that will be EM, semantic or non-semantic.
sir, DIV tag,
Semantic.
Sir, button.
It is going to make sense. EM
sir, sir,
in the
div,
semantic. In semantic case, 1 second. In semantic case, EM will make sense. I not thinking
no,
EM will make sense.
no,
Not sense.
sir,
Yeah.
div,
And div, which where that will be sense, semantic or non-semantic.
Going tag it.
sir, I think no semantic.
Non-semantic because it not will make any sense. So okay. Now mute. Otherwise we will jump. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. So this much tags. So now I think everybody clear regarding semantic and non-semantic.
Yes,
In
yes.
interview, if they asking a high level of question in HTML, you will get this question 100%. What is semantic and what is non-semantic? Okay. So give some examples like that. They will. So semantic makes sense. Non-semantic, no sense. Any dot in this one?
No, no, no.
Sir,
Okay. So now go to the materials, the documentation. Okay, one thing is there. Just get this tag also. That will fine. After that, we will revise that material. Okay, now I will remove this. Otherwise, wait, I will do one thing. I will comment this one up to here. Okay, suppose that you have to show some shortcut regarding your keyboard in your website. Okay, like what you can show for saving data. Okay, for saving data. Suppose in your website you have to pass something, and now like in when you when you booking railway ticket, okay, or when you filling any form, sure some button is there for the print, correct? Then
Yes.
you
yes,
if
sir,
you want to show that you have to use this shortcut button for printing purpose, how you can tell the user? Suppose if you taking H1, let's go with H1. H1, what you will write for save ERE space CTRL control plus P, correct?
Yes.
Now just see what it going to do. What happened? It had shown now this type, correct? Now I will verify with one tag. KBD. Many tags are there, but these are not much more useful, but many times you will see that. Had you realized something difference there?
Yes. In H1 tag that looking bold, but in KBD it's looking like a little bit not bold.
Something different type of styling,
Yes.
font.
Yes.
So this way we can take that for the display purpose. Okay. Now go with the tags. Then we will see that sample something. Recording is going or not? Just verify.
I think going on.
Okay, so now the HTML KBD element is, I will go fast because nothing is there. So the HTML KBD element is used to define keyword input. What is the purpose? For keyword input, the content inside is displayed in the browser. Okay, like see, when it is used, when it will use like this way, for saving purpose, press Control plus S. Now copy this and just verify what it will do in our case. What it had done? Now just 1 second. Yeah, for saving purpose, you have to press Control plus S. Now just see output in our browser. Anything is there? Just as usual, font get change. Correct? Correct or not? Font get change. But you can make a design different type by using CSS and those things. I will show that. So with the help of means user can show that with the help of a KBD. Whenever there will be need, you can use the button KBD. Sorry, tag KBD. And with the help of like you can make a design. Okay, now tell me, suppose you have to make this some style, how you will do? I have to make a boundary over this one, Control plus S. How you will pass? What we will do?
Sir, using a
Print
style.
ABD.
Do one thing, just let's verify. I don't know whether what will be the output. Take button, pass here. Now see what it came. It came like some button type and see it clickable property.
Yes.
But I not want to clickable, but I want that type of design. Okay, what I will do? See one thing. If you taking any input field, it is not compulsory that you have to take a form first and then you have to take that input property. Like a button is the type of input property, input field, like input tag. So no need that always we will take that form, then we will go. No, according to our need, we can take the form. No need, then left that not the issue. Now what I will do? I will remove this button, but I want to make that type of design with the help of CSS. Now you have to tell me fast, because I will spend only 5 minutes for these topics. There is not much more time for this one. Yeah, how I will make that design? Now it gone. Tell anyone.
Okay, first we'll give the background. Border will give the, and we have to give the background color.
Which code
First,
I have to write? Which code? Tell me a starting
style,
code itself. Okay, style. Next, go fast.
border,
Border. Okay.
pixel,
Okay, go
5
with 1 pixel.
Solid.
and color.
Cyan.
Solid.
Cyan.
Okay. I don't know.
Yes.
What we will do? We will pass that and then we can
Color.
go.
And
Okay, let's verify. Something came there. Okay.
okay.
But what is the issue? We had taken that background color. Wait, let me go with
Yes.
red.
Yes.
Now tell, what about background color?
You have to write background.
Background, yes. Sir.
Background color, go with this. Later we will check. Everybody aware regarding this one? For
Yes.
changing
Yes.
color or not?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
see, we got that type itself. Okay. If you want something like means different color, space, padding, you can pass that padding or margin when we study. But now see, this is not clickable. Okay.
Yes.
It's looking different, but it's looking same type as when we taken button, but it's not clickable. Okay. So as our bis, we can go with that CSS. But what is the reason behind KBD? When you will look over this tag, okay, in the code, then you will easily get that somewhere it going to represent a keyword input. Okay, so in interview maybe they can ask, in interview they are asking also that if suppose you have to take some input from the keyboard, then how you will take. Okay, so now It's clear. Correct or not?
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will take one more thing. Otherwise, in middle, if I will forget, that become problem. Now, suppose you see here. What is that? Okay. Suppose here control plus a space. Okay. Okay. After S, I don't know whether that will work or not there. Let me verify. Where is that? NBSP. Yeah, that's working. It's taking that much space. Now see, I showing one thing. If suppose you want to pass some space, white space, okay? So what you can do, don't think that if I will press, means say pass this much area, it will maintain there. How you can maintain that space? If you want to maintain that space, how you will maintain that one? Any idea? Any idea?
No, sir.
No idea. Okay, fine. Any others?
So tab element is there like TR or something.
TR.
Yeah.
TR is going to do that. TR is it's a table.
No, no,
Table row.
no. For
Sir,
specific.
pre-tag.
Correct. Abhishek is studying. Remaining all are sleeping. What is the use of pre-tag?
Sir,
Sir, it is
like
to
poem.
write poems or slogans.
Not only poem. Okay.
Slogans.
If we want to maintain some space, let's verify.
Okay,
See,
sir.
it gone to maintain that or not? See that? Getting this? One thing. I will cut this and I will pass before KVD. 1 second. Sorry. Oh my God. Wait. Take this KBD. Where is that? PRE pre-tag. Okay. Let's paste. Then remove this one. Let's format. Pre-tag outside. Okay. KBD inside. KBD inside, pre outside. Okay. Let's verify. Now see. Had you observed that a space? From where that coming actually? See. Control plus S. This much space is there. That is coming. Now remove. Now save. It gone. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Yeah. So others, what is this? Correct or not?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Then I think Abhishek will got first placement in HTML side. It is 100%.
Sure.
Abhishek, can we attend from tomorrow?
Yes. What, sir?
Can we start attending interview from tomorrow?
No, sir.
Just
Definitely
hit
will get job.
Abhishek, just hit and try. Not an issue.
Okay, sir. I
Okay.
will try.
Yeah. So see, when we wanted to maintain something same, okay, we can take pre-tag. Not only in the poem, because in poem, because if you taking this space, okay, it will remove. That means editor itself going to remove you. Some setting is there, white space. That with the help of that actually it removing. That is the case. So don't think that with the help of a tag, whatever space we are putting there, it will maintain. No, you have to take care regarding that one. Now my question, Baj. 1 second. Yeah. one thing was there. Wait 1 second. When I had taken pre-tag, now you can give me answer. Now just look over UI. What happened? Had you realized something?
That it break the
It break down. Means
Yes.
what you realized? If it breaking down means what happened? What type of tag that is actually?
because of pre-tag.
Okay. What type of tag is that actually? Any others? I
In-
want the exact answer.
Block level.
Block, sir.
Yeah,
VR
block
tag, sir.
level.
Yes, block.
What you told Abhishek? BR tag.
Yeah, sir.
Where is BR tag? No, that is actually block level and inline. That's why. So this
Okay,
is block level. So that's why it's started in the new block. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So that we have to realize that one. So now what I was trying with the help of that, if we want to maintain a space, but with the help of a pre-tag we can. Okay. But I not want with the help of pre-tag. I want to give some space without CSS. How we will do? There is one tag that is you have to pass like this way $NBSP. You will get suggestion. See NBSP. Okay. Pass this one. Now see control. Before control, you will get some space on the UI. Look over that. You got this. Now you want one more space. What you will do?
I
Copy
can
this
have
one.
paste over there.
Yeah. And pass there. Save. Now see you got two space. Okay. This type you can pass a space, but don't be intelligent that for the padding case also pass that a space.
So actually, what we have to say that
This one
NBSP.
NBSP
What that?
non-breaking a space, and what is that P related in documentation somewhere you will get. Wait, let me bear.
Means it belongs to
NBSP.
tag element. What?
Yeah. This one non-breaking a space. See NBSP. Actually, this is a small tag, so I had verified because there is no anything there. Okay.
Also, sir.
Yeah.
Means this one is belongs to like element tag.
You
What?
can take element itself.
Okay.
See, so where you means when you will use this one. Now just go through that use case. This I shown just like sample. That's it. Suppose that you have to show 500 rupees. How you will show that? You will pass a space.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have to show rupees. Just I taking p tag. Okay. And now here you want to show R and S. Yeah.
Sir, for space in the top or bottom.
What?
Sir, for top or bottom means sir control plus S.
Control
On the
plus
top
S.
of on the top and on the bottom if you want space.
No. Oh, means you're telling if you want a space on the top, then how we will take that one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I don't know regarding tag that one.
A good question.
Maybe I think maybe we will get some tags. But with the help of CSS, we can do that. Top and bottom. We will look over that. Another NBSP something is also there.
The padding we can use.
Sir, she is asking about margin to top.
Yeah, correct. That I told
Okay.
with CSS we can go, but in that she asking regarding in HTML.
See, Shivani, this is a very deep question. We will figure out in CSS.
Let me verify after this. We will see if anything is there. So see, if I have to represent rupees and 500, now just see output. What happened? A space is there. But suppose that, okay, this space will be maintained. Okay. Now see, save. This space is not. But I want this rupees outside. Because when you will get dynamic data, then maybe that this symbol unit symbol will be outside. Okay. But this 500, 400 will be came from the where database. Okay. So in that case, it's not going to maintain your space. Okay. So rupees and 500 become down. Which another tag I can take there? Tell me. This is block level element, so it's a broken down. Correct or not?
Inline.
Yeah, then tell me the tag name, which one?
Sir, EM tag.
Sir, what is the question?
Question is that now rupees, see this,
Yes.
rupees and 500 gone in the separate line due to
Yes.
block level element, correct?
Yes.
I not want like that. I want in the same line. How we can maintain? Tell me that it's some tags.
Inline tag we are going to write.
Yeah, tell me that inline tag.
Sir, EM tag.
EM tag. Okay.
Sir,
Now
EM
check.
strong.
A span.
1 second. Okay. I will take EM tag, but I not want any changes in the text. You have to make sure.
Strong tag.
I not want anything.
A span.
Now see what happened. This become italic. I have 500. That is in proper, not in this type of damage position. Okay. Tell another tag.
A span.
Span.
Oh, strong. It become complete strong. See, it become
Sir,
complete strong. 500.
Yes.
Tell another tag.
Sir, spam. Spam.
SPAN, span. Now say this is proper.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is perfect answer.
1 second. Why this not? Okay. So whenever there is requirement of taking some data, but you don't know, means there is no need to making any changes in the format. You can go with a span directly because it's not going to do anything. It will take that and put in inline case. Okay. Now I want some space between rupees and 500 here. Okay. Now tell me how we can do. Fast.
So you have to use that non-breaking that tag.
Okay. So what I will do, I will pass that non-breaking tag. Okay.
Yes.
So give here one space. Don't write means continue. Okay. Don't write like this way. That a dollar. Where is that dollar symbol? Dollar. Sorry, not dollar. Ambition, and then NBBSP. Don't write like this. I don't know whether it will work or not. Yeah, it's working. But try to write by giving some space. Getting my point? Try to write by giving some space between this rupees and that one. So it will be fine. Next. So by this way, we can pass that. Let's try this by passing this inside, whether it will work or not. If we passing this inside, this same, no changes. But what will the problem? In place of passing inside or outside, you can pass anywhere. That's not going to do any issue. Okay. Any dot in this one? Suppose you have to show 500 kilometer. 500 kilometer. What you will do? You want a space. Okay. Now see, pass this inside a span. Pass this value. Now see, wait, I will break this line. Now see, 500 kilometer, it's fine. Okay. But when I will pass this kilometer outside, you know one thing, when we passing anything, a space in the middle in the sense opening and closing tag, then it's working fine. But when I passing the same thing where outside, it's not working. What is the reason? Now see, if I passing the same and 500 is there and the space is also there, let's verify whether it will same or not. It will same. Why it is same? Now it's gone. In some case it will work, but don't work, means don't think like this way. Because editor going to remove the white space. So whenever requirement, just go with NBSP. Okay. So many times somebody asking in interview, they are not asking this one, but many persons asking that if you have to put white space, this name itself is the white space. Okay. Now some tag was coming here. What is this actually? NBSP. What is this? I don't know. What is this? Some different symbol came. $, NBS. So I think this is clear, correct? Or anyone have doubt?
No doubt.
No doubt. Okay. So now go with. Okay. So now we will go with documentation starting. My God, 33 pages. I will not go work means say means all. I will go topic wise. So we had covered keyword KBD. Okay. We covered semantic. What is semantic element? Means senseful. Okay. See example of semantic form, table, article. Okay. It clearly going to define something. It clearly define its content. What type of content it will take. Correct or not? Next, semantic element. See here list of semantic element. These all. You can go one by one if you want more explanation. Now see in header section we will take like this type header. In
Also,
navigation bar, yeah.
in semantic, if interviewer will ask question, what is the semantic means? What exactly the definition will give? Otherwise,
You
simply one word
yeah.
will tell them.
That's fine. You can tell that the tag which is going to clearly explain the explanation of the content. Clearly describe the content. Which type of content it will take. Got this?
Okay.
Suppose you had taken form. Okay. Inside form tag, if you will write paragraph and this, that, anything, will it make sense? Anything?
No,
Means
doesn't
on
make
the
sense.
UI, you will get that. On UI, you will get data. Anyway, whatever we will write on HTML, it will come on the UI. But it's not going to make sense because you taken form and you writing paragraph. Okay. So if you taken form, means sure you will work something form action. Sure you will take some input field and form functionality will be there. So in interview, you can tell semantic, it going to clearly describe this. Means you can tell simply tag which is senseful. Okay. In the where developer and the browser also in both scenario. Any issue clear?
Yes, no doubt.
Yeah. So it will describe the content, which type of content it will take. So different type of that one. So now see, suppose you have to do website, means you are going to create website. What you will take? Some header is there on the top. Then navigation bar. Navigation bar means what? Clickable section is there on top. Okay. Those are navigation bar considering nav bar. Actually, section, different sections are there. Then suppose some data, then article. A side means side. These are the tag. It will not do anything. Okay. If you taking footer, it's not going to do anything. You can keep this footer on the top also. But the sense, that is the thing. With the help of tag, you will easily identify which type of content it will describe. It going to keep which type of content. Correct or not?
Yeah, correct.
What about others? I think for others not correct. Okay. So section. Okay. So it going to describe you different types. Suppose if you will go with website, means the content, you will get that. In header, what type of data it going to keep? Like then again in section, which type of data? Then in article, which type of data? So I will not go through this one. This is nothing. That's why I had kept these all things in the last. Don't for right now, just ignore these all CSS. Okay. We're not going to discuss CSS right now. We will later. Now nesting article in section or vice versa means inside one tag we can pass multiple tag. So that thing. So footer, okay, navigation element. Maybe I think these are just a time pass. That's why I had clear all the things. Then I explained main topic, semantic and non-semantic. After that, these all was just a reading type. That's it. Anyone telling anything?
No, nothing.
Okay. So now why semantic element? To just describe that content, which type of content it going to kept there. Okay, that type. HTML style guide. Okay. Yeah, something is there. Just you have to be careful. Which type of means when we writing code, what are the actually already I had discussed during a starting time itself that we have to not we will never take a capital letter in the tag. We will always take a small letter. So those things, a style guide. So what we will do, always declare document type. Correct or not?
Yes.
with the help of doc type. Any issue?
No issue.
Second, always use lowercase element name. Okay. Next, good practice. See, body, a small letter, paragraph, and a closing tag. Now see, bad practice. Capital letter, P tag is capital, and body is also capital closing. Correct. So this is bad practice. So don't take like this. Now close all HTML element. Now see, good practice. Opening is there, at last closing.
No.
Paragraph tag is opening, closing. Okay. So don't left this thing. You have to take care. Now bad practice. Opening is there, closing is also there, but in sense of paragraph, see, opening is there, closing is not there. Okay, that is bad. Use lowercase attribute name for writing name, class name, or whatever we had seen already. So always try to take the lowercase. Now see attribute case. See, href is cap a small letter, bad, that is good, and this is bad. So whenever there is requirement, go with a small letter only. Always quote attribute value. Means whatever attribute is there, you have to pass where? Inside double quote. Don't write outside directly. Okay. Now, good practice. If you're taking class, take with the double quote. That is good practice. Okay. Bad practice. Keep outside directly. Okay. Why this is bad practice for this one class? I think when we have to take multiple class, okay, suppose this is one and suppose another one is color. Okay, class name is color class, then maybe we will get some error because a different class, but we not keeping inside. So that's why we never take like this way. Okay, so that is bad. And what about very bad? Now see, the class we taken one table, and second I stripped the same thing which we had taken just now. One class and another class without any double quote. So always take that. Always specify alt, width, and height for the image. Means in the image case, already we know that attribute. When it will come actually? Alt?
For a reference.
When?
For in image means we have multiple image, and which image is not working proper, we have to give reference over here. In UI section, we can able to see there which
Okay.
one.
What about Prabhul and Roshan? When that alt will come? Both of you. Unmute and ready, steady, go.
No, sir.
If image is
What? No.
Hey, available, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Tell.
sir, if image
When
is
we will
not
use.
showing in UI.
Okay, correct. Okay, Praful, what about your opinion? This guy is telling wrong. Don't follow this all.
Sir, lowercase is
I not asking lower and uppercase. I asking when alt will come. Suppose image tag is there, then when this will work, whatever we will write here.
location can be decided in
Okay, then
path.
For
okay.
additional
If
reference, we can say simply.
one second. If location it will decide, then what about this one? This is room booking.
No.
What is this one?
This is the alt is the name of this location path.
No. But my question is that when this alt will come in action.
Alternative, sir. Alternative name, sir.
Yeah. One time more again.
Alternative tag.
Yeah, alternative. That's fine. But when that will come, means when you taking image tag, image will display on the UI.
Yes.
Then when it will come?
When image is not showing.
When image is not there. Suppose
Yes.
by mistake, if you had written something wrong there, suppose your
Yes.
image name is HTML5, and by mistake you remove this one. Okay. So in that case, when image will not there, that time alt will be work, and it will represent whatever text is written there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please, in the next interview, when mock interview upcoming, then this type of question we will ask. And if you will tell like this type, that location and room and hotel, then you know that total become what will be.
Okay.
Want to make a total. Okay, so next, spaces and equal sign. We always tell that whenever we have to add multiple attribute, okay, this one attribute, this alt is another attribute, a style is another attribute. So please specify with the help of a space and provide the equal sign wherever required. Okay. Now see, relative is there. We had provided equal to sign, and now a space is there. This is good practice. But see, he had used the spaces. One space here, one space here, then he kept there. Then in case of href, one space, two space, then outside. So don't do like this type. A space is free means don't take wherever you want. Avoid long code line means don't never try to go more lengthy code. Okay, always try to break into like see. If suppose see this one itself. If suppose I have to write something here. Wait. If tag is there. Okay, lorem 15. Now see what happened. This much lengthy code is there. Okay, how you will read whatever is written inside? That become problem. Try to format, break into a small line, so it become visible to you. Correct or not? Now see, your full code is from here to here only. So try to make proper formatting and try to break the code.
Sure.
And next, do not add break. Means blank line, spaces, and indentation without a region. Okay, so these all things. Now see, tag is written there, and it's okay, fine. You can go this one by one. Then table. In table case, we know that never we will take H1, P, these all things. Correct. Then list. What is this? Good list. Okay, that's fine. We will can take UL or OL, whatever, and inside LI we will pass. Never skip the title tag. Where we writing title actually?
Sir, in head section.
In head section, correct. So see on the top, title is there. Okay, so never skip this one. Fine. Now omitting HTML and body. Never omit HTML and body tag. Okay. Now see what he had done. Taken doc, head is there, HTML on the top gone. Now head is there, then again body gone there. Okay, so don't omit it. I know that it will not make any sense, but it will give you example of semantic and non-semantic. Okay, it become the problem for the specify the code. So don't do that. Now close empty HTML element. So these all are okay. One thing. In meta, you will see that char set UTF-8 will come. Maybe here, yeah, char set UTF-8. It's going to tell you regarding the character size. Okay, that always we are taking character 8. One thing is there, lang. This is going to tell you which type of about your website language. This is English. That's why we are using EN. I don't know regarding others whether it will work or not, because we never trying any other thing. We are just always taking EN. Let's EN. Can we go anything like US or what? I don't know. Let's verify. See, in the document may be available something. Okay, UTF-8. Anyone have idea? Can anyone change it? I mean, in the case of language, any idea anyone have?
No idea, sir.
Okay.
EN-US.
Okay, let's verify.
वो
US.
hyphen is
Okay, got it. This one. US. Let's see what it will do. Oh, this become US completely. Okay, so when we changing this language, but everything will be English. Don't think we will write Hindi, then it will work. I'm not thinking.
I'm also thinking.
No, Hindi will not work. For making Hindi, you have to make API, and then it will work actually. That is the thing. So that's why we always taking this one, English. Now go with another one. So carry set UTF-8. Here you will go documentation, you will get. Now attribute, yeah, language came. UN, US, okay. So different. Now metadata, already we know that why we taking metadata. Now setting the viewport. What is the use of viewport? Anyone have idea? Anyone have idea?
Regarding the resolution.
No idea?
Uh,
I'm not thinking in here we can get, yeah, maybe I think.
about resolution.
Oh,
बुद्धू बच्चा नहीं लग रही
ये कौन आतंक फैला दिया?
बगल वाला
रौनक तो आतंक फैलाएगा।
अरे हमें भी बताओ, हम भी हंस ले थोड़ा यार।
यहाँ बोर हो रहे हैं कि नहीं?
हाँ हाँ
देखिए, तो हम क्या करते हैं ना, या
इंग्लिश
तो यहाँ पे
The recording is going on.
okay, sorry. So what we will do, we will remove this one, okay, and we will verify what means what changes we are getting there on the UI. Just you have to keep your eye on the UI, otherwise don't tell me what happened. Nothing or something happened.
सर ये व्यू पॉइंट जो भी स्किल का रेजोल्यूशन होता है उसके अंदर रहता है।
English recording is going on.
Correct. So see what happened when we using viewport, it will manage automatic in when your website will be in the mobile section, mobile view. So it will adjust that all the content. Okay. But when you not using viewport, okay, then it will go as usual. It not going to manage your website, means it not going to modify according to your according to your UI. Now see, I will remove this one. It's fine. There is no any changes. Okay, for laptop view, bigger screen, then it's fine. Now come to the mobile. Let's see, Samsung asset. Now just see what is there. 1 second. I think we had passed there. Let's see. Now see the difference. Okay, so that is the oh my god, control.
Sir,
Y.
can I grab my dinner because
Yeah,
I'm feeling very hungry.
Okay, so when we remove, now I removed that one, so it become like this way. But when we passing that value viewport, then it will come this type. So see in the viewport section, you will see that content something is there. Name viewport, content equal to width equal to device dash width, means according to device width you will take that. Initial scale is 1.0. Let's verify by changing the initial scale. Okay, I will do. Wait, I will take that initial scale as 2. I don't know. I'm not thinking that it will make changes. I have not idea much more. It had not make any changes. Now go with in decimal value. But okay, take 0.5. Will it do anything? Yeah. Okay. Now take that 8. Getting this? Take 9. See, automatic it doing. We not going to like margin padding or increasing font size, nothing. But what, how this working? With the help of initial scale size. So always by default, it taking initial value as 1. Any dot in this one? Hello.
No issue, sir.
Okay. So next, so with the help of viewport, yeah. So that's why never skip that one. Never remove that viewport section. Otherwise, your website will be look like something. It's not going to auto adjust when you looking over a smaller screen. So always you have to. When you will make a structure, actually, it will come by default viewport. So no, don't worry regarding that one. So next, now see visualization is there in the image section. Your image is coming this one without viewport. Okay, but when you using viewport, now see the image is coming according to the screen size. Okay, so you will realize there also. Now HTML comment we already know What is the use of comment? Now using a style sheet. What is the need? We will discuss later in the style section. For right now, just remove. Loading JavaScript, left this also. Use lowercase file name. Already we know that when we going to make any file, suppose this file, we will always try to take the lowercase. Here for the day case, I taken that one, but try to take a lower and upper. Camel case. I had discussed regarding camel case yesterday or day before. Anyone have idea what is that camel case?
Yes, sir. Starting alphabet are small and last alphabet will be.
Last in the sense that it will be capital or a small. First will be a small.
No, sir. Just like target will be small and block will be capital.
Okay, tell
Like
me any.
camel.
Okay, are you going to make any file? Tell me name. Just tell any name. Suppose I have to make one file today task. Tell me how we will write. Any idea? Idea?
Target.
Target. I going to make one file, not be writing any tag. Any others? How we will create the file?
Sir, T capital.
Assignment.
Keep capital. Okay.
Spelling of today.
Okay.
Task
Oh,
T
sorry.
capital.
First letter is
One
capital.
second. T-O-D-A-Y.
First letter
Today.
is
Okay.
capital.
Today and task.
Underscore T capital.
Dot.
Underscore T. Today task. Like this way.
Yeah.
All agree? Anyone want to give any opinion?
No, sir.
Abhishek, any opinion over this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what opinion? You looking over paper means a copy.
No, sir.
Okay. Your guard is sitting near the you or not.
Yeah.
Tell him to do his duty properly. Okay, so how we will write the file name? See what I had told. Always take a small letter, first one. Don't take capital. Okay. You can take this underscore there. Okay. Next, you can pass their capital. That's not an issue. But this is not camel case. In the middle, if you passing underscore, that not become camel case. Camel case in the sense, remove this one. First letter should be small. And in the middle, when you changing the term, when you changing the name, something you adding, then it become the capital first letter. Then again, suppose you are means adding something, assignment, go with the capital again. Any issue? This type you have to make. This become camel case. Anyone have doubt? Tell me. Hello.
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. What about others?
Explain one more time.
Okay. So see, if I have to write, what I will do, what we had done actually, we had taken capital letter first letter. Okay. Uppercase. After that,
Yes.
suppose today task assignment. Like this way, we have to write our name. How many word is there actually? At least means 3 term is there. Correct. One is today. Means who going to separate? One is a task. Then one is assignment. Correct or not? Three
Yes,
different terms are there. What we will do? We will take first letter a small. Never take a small letter capital. Okay. First letter I taken a small up to this. After that, task is another term. Starting of task T, we will take capital. Then starting of a third term, we will take capital, and remaining will be a small. This is known as camel case. Any doubt?
no, sir.
Okay. So whenever you making any file, you have to make in this way. Suppose what I had told to everyone, you have to write your name and file name. Suppose I have to make my file name, Kausal, then day, suppose assignment. Okay. ASSIGN assignment 1. Like this way I have to take. Means first letter is capital, sorry, small, okay, lowercase, then be gone first letter, that is capital case, okay, and then whatever again, then again we will move in the capital, but extension .html, that should be in the small letter only. Any issue? Clear? Now in many file you will see that something is written .htm and .html, okay. So now see that in W3 itself you can see this difference. In website there is no difference between .htm and HTML file extension. Both are treated by any web browser and web server, so there is no issue that .htm and .html, okay, both are same. Default file name, now I will not go one by one, these all things, these are just normal. Now one thing, yeah, this I will searching. Where is that? Okay. Let me go this one. See, HTML completed. That's I will tell. Now, whatever we are studying just for overview. What is this? It's not get copied. About this one. This is greater than, okay. What is the use of, we can pass entity to display less than size, we must use, yeah, okay, this one. Now see, here this one. What I had taken, is it visual? Bottom one. Now see, what I done, suppose I want to show something like 5 less than 10. Is it correct way of writing this one? Hello? Anyone is listening?
Yes.
Is it correct way of writing this one?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Okay. Can we write like this way?
No, sir.
Then how we will write?
No.
But I want to show this one, 5 less than 10. How we will write? But it coming, what is that? If you telling that is not correct, but why that coming on the UI?
So because in paragraph.
Okay. Means because due to paragraph it's coming or what? First, my question, is this correct way or not? Everybody told no. Okay. My second, if this is not correct, then why in the HTML it's coming on the
Sir,
UI?
because anything HTML file, it will come on the browser.
Yeah, correct. So whatever we will write, it will come there. Okay. So what will be correct way of showing that? I have to show that this less than symbol. How we will show? So for showing the less than symbol, we have to pass this one. I will explain this. Now see on the UI, there is no changes. I had refreshed this one. I had already saved it. What is it doing? Okay, this is whatever things you want, you have to pass this. What is it's knowing actually means what we are telling this as ampersand symbol or what? No idea. This symbol.
Yeah, we are telling
And
Ampersand.
And
Okay.
yes, we are telling.
Okay. So after this, we have to pass what you want, like less than, greater than what? If you want less than, you have to pass LT. If you want greater than, G means greater and T means than, greater than. Save. See that greater than symbol change. Correct or not? Now verify.
Yes, sir.
What is this? So different symbol are there. Suppose that you want equal to, what it will be? How this will come actually? I don't know what is that. Equal one is there. Let's verify. No, this is different thing. Was this also, but no, that's is not fine. So see, what we will do. There many lists are. You will get many lists regarding that code actually. Okay. So no need to learn these all things. Okay. That I will tell. Ambition this one. Less than and equal to. LT. Okay, go with only one, that's fine. So no need to learn this, but yeah, you have to keep in mind something is there. With the help of that, we can display that. Got this point? So no need to learn these all things, code and command, which command will help you in getting that. No. So next, some useful character. Yeah, you will getting here. Less than, how will get? LT. Okay, when we getting LT, some code is, means number is also there. Okay. So with the help of this number also, we can get the same thing. Output will same. Now what I will do? I will take one more, pass in a span. Okay. And 50, whatever, 20. Now I will show this and save. What happened? Both same thing came or not? Got this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This both same thing came. So what is that? Actually, one is entity name and one is entity number. Different types are there. So as like you can see, greater than is there, then ampersand symbol, double quote, QOT, then different things are there. If you want regarding this one, see copyright symbol. If you want to show in your website copyright symbol, what you will do? You will use this copy. Means say mainly in the footer section, you will see this symbol. Copyright, C symbol and 222, like this type. See here. Okay, I will put this inside p tag. Now see, this came. In website you had seen this or not? In website it will come, means in the bottom all page. Okay. If we will go in our website itself, then you will get maybe. So this type we can get different. Now combining diag. 1 second. Where is that? So contact. See here, copyright 2022. So it will give you, this one will come with the help of that symbol only. Always, wherever required. Okay. Next. These all topics are just time pass. That's it. So with the help of this, you can go with how we want different type of symbol. Result will come like this way, then different type. You can use this type of code. You will get in W3 school these all things. So whenever you require this, you can use. Now came to symbol. Again, this is same type, different symbol. If you want again to make that, this will be useful where you have any idea, this symbol particularly, where this will be useful. Can anyone tell?
section.
Yeah, in maths. See, this is like what? Exponential, correct? Exponential type. Then again something, this is pi. So we can pass
Five.
value. So with the help of what we will do, we will take this and pass the value. That's it. So it will come. So you can try one by one. So now some Greek letter. Okay, like A, B, this value, then E, like this type. So you can take
Delta.
that code. Yeah. So different. Then again, what is this? A registered sign, something, then R. Then how we will get? We can get this one. So different signs are there. You will get these all things. See now left, right arrow marks. Then this a spade symbol. You can take this. Now I will show this by taking that. Wait. Many things are there in the HTML. With the help of that itself, we can do all things. Now see, it came. Now tell me how to change the color. I want to make different color. Anyone have idea?
Sir. In P tag.
Yeah. Okay,
In
tell.
P.
P tag. Go with the style. Okay. Color.
Red.
Sorry. Oh, what is this?
Column.
1 second. Why this error is coming? Okay. Yeah, fine. So go with red. Now see, red color came. I want to increase the font size. Okay, you don't know. Let me increase font size 25 pixels. Save. It become more. Now go with 250. Now see. Okay, so whenever requirement of this type of things, you can use that. It will give you. It is free means don't utilize more. Okay. So this type we can make wherever we want. In the math symbol, you can use this one too much. So different things are there. Now, if you want to add emoji, as like in WhatsApp, we are using that. We can do the same thing. Different also there. Now, where is that? Emoji list. You will get actually complete list. Okay. So you can utilize directly. Now, who is this Lady of Liberty? Okay. I will pass a here itself. Wait. See, inside one, we can pass multiple. Okay. So don't worry. Now see. This came. Okay. Now you want pass this there. Now see, this came. Who is this crying face? Oh,
Smiley.
where is that smiley? This one.
Yes.
How come a smiley? What is this? Oh my God, she crying. Okay. So this way we can go with all the emojis. Okay. So day 8 completed. Anyone have any issue? Tell me. In this, what we had discussed, we discussed regarding semantic tag. Okay. And which one? Another one.
Non-semantic.
Yeah, non-semantic. Then
Code space.
The emoji.
yeah,
Or
NBSP.
non-breaking space.
Yeah. Then
The camel.
camel case. Okay. Then
Greater than, less than.
greater than, less than. How we can utilize like mathematical symbol, those things also. Okay. So what I will do, I will share you day 8 material. Okay. Day 9, day 10, day 11, whatever I have now. Because there is no need to explain those things. Whatever topics was there actually already covered. But if you have any doubt regarding those, you can tell me. Then we will explain. Okay. Wait, otherwise, one thing. Let's me.
I have received my assignment.
What assignment? Day 8 already. Okay. What about day 9? Let's see what is there. Day 9. Okay. What is this keyboard? Oh, day 8 just now we had done. What is this? This is See, I showing you one overview. I will show that what are the things in there. Day 9. Okay, just best practice. HTML head element where you have to kept, again title is there. Okay, then a style where you have to kept, this will discuss later or left right now. Then meta tag is there, how we have to write, already we know. Setting viewport, already know. Okay, getting or not? If not, then tell me. Viewport, then base element. Suppose that your website is navigating on some like a, now we are working, suppose that here see some URL is there, this one. So
Sir,
what
can
it will,
you,
yeah,
yes, sir, can you tell me about a meta tag?
who telling? Abhishek,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in second class we had discussed that, no? Regarding meta tag, what we doing there, we are keeping all the details of website, like what it will do, what are the content. I showing you the content here. See, I showing you W3 school itself. Can anyone explain him? So it will find. Can anyone? Hello? No one?
I don't remember.
No one explaining. What is this going? Hello?
Your voice is audible, sir.
Oh, but nobody is speaking. Okay, let me go one by one. Shivani, explain meta tag. One mock interview completed, and in that itself meta tag and everything was there, but nobody know. Oh my God. Shivani Kumari. Okay, she is not unmuting. This is best practice of online. Yeah.
It defines metadata.
No. Meta, not metadata. What is the use of meta tag actually? That he have doubt. You have idea?
No.
Okay, see. In websites, you will see that this is a real website, W3 school. Okay. On top, is it visible? This one, this page. Okay, let me zoom. Now see. Yeah. So here, as you can see, in the top meta tag is there, char UTF-8. Just now I told that it going to explain about the character set. Correct. Second meta tag is for the viewport. It going for the what? It will display the content according to, it will auto adjust the content in mobile and website, that desktop version, means different device. It will auto adjust. Second meta tag, it going to contain detail regarding like keywords are there. Okay. So in keyword, when you searching in Google, like HTML, Java, Python, so you will get some websites. How you getting that website? With the help of that keywords, it will search in your browser, sorry, it in your web page. Okay, suppose you search it HTML, what it will do? Google will search that HTML where? In your meta tag in your browser, means a web page. So when it's searching HTML, it will find out that some text is written in your meta tag HTML. It will reflect this web page or this website in your description regarding the website. What is that? Well organized and easy to understand, means it is going to give all the description. So whatever means you want to represent your website to any user, but in what way, how he will, means how you can send your website to user, you can keep there. So when user is searching in the browser, it will get with the help of meta tag, means you can tell the mode of communication between user search criteria in the Google and method of responding your website to the search means a search list or whatever you can tell to the user. When user is pressing anything in the Google like a HTML, okay, it will search in full directory. Means a Google will search in their history or whatever, how they using algorithms, different techniques. So with the help of that keyword, it will search. So how, where they find that keyword? They find that keyword in meta tag of your website. Okay, so mainly digital marketing person, they are using this thing more regarding increasing the traffic of your website. Okay, so these are the use. Then you can keep your description. Then different things are there. As like say, you can see here property organization dot title, organization colon title. What is title? W3 school free online web tutorial. So all details regarding your website, who is the author or this, that, everything you can pass in meta tag. Okay. Yeah. Just 1 second, Samir. And whatever content you will write in meta tag, it will not available in your browser anywhere. This is the main thing. Whatever you had written in meta tag, it not going to visualize on your browser. Means suppose that here we had written this HTML or SQL, JavaScript. It will be not available in your browser anywhere. Whatever is available, these all things due to the content, not due to meta tag. Okay, so it will help only while searching. When you searching your website, if your website have good traffic in the sense per day like 400 user is coming to visit. When you searching, it will come automatic. Suppose that, just take example, just Samir 1 second. If you taking example of a online search, online shopping, what you will do? If you going to purchase, if you have to purchase one dress or just any mobile, what you will do? You will search mobile. Okay, just see what it will give. When you searched mobile.com came. Means what happened? This mobile okay, it will search, means with the help of this, Google will search this keyword in your website, not in particular one website. It will search whatever website is available in all website. So who have a good traffic in the sense who have a more customer visiting per day, that will come in the list. Okay, suppose that you have any shop and suppose your means there are too much crowd per day, more customers are coming, so you will get a good popularity. So same thing is happening here also. Suppose when we had searched the mobile, something came on the top. 1 second. So something came on the top. Okay, but when you going scrolling down, some website list will also come there. So see, Flipkart came on the top, Amazon came on the top, Wikipedia is there. So when you are scrolling down, then chroma.com, then 91 mobile. Now my question is that if this gadget, this one gadgetnow.com is coming, okay, but it coming down. Why? Because maybe traffic means user visiting on the means comparing to Gadget India, this website gadgetnow.com, comparing to this, Flipkart have more. That's why it came on the top list, first list. After this, it came on the down. Okay, many websites are there who will show you the traffic of the website. Means per second or per minute, how much user is visiting that. So with the help of meta tag, it will help in the search of that one. So is it clear? Meta tag, what it will doing? It going to help to get a reflect when user is searching. Okay, so whatever keyword we are passing there, it will help that in the search time. So digital marketing person they are doing. So in the interview, they are asking that what is the use of meta tag. So you can tell that with the help of meta tag, we can pass our information in the where in the website. Like you can tell that some keyword. Just take, you can tell basic examples. Basic example in the sense what are the meta tag you can pass. What meta tag? One meta tag is keyword. In keyword we can pass that keyword. Then meta tag is description. Then we can pass the description. What your website going to do. Another meta tag is author. Different you will. So author name, you can pass that what your website is going to do, then different things. So any, see here description is there. Yeah, so you can pass that description, what your website will do. These all things you can. So any doubt? Now you can tell. Samir, I think you was asking something. Or any others? Anyone have? Then tell. Any issue? Abhishek?
No issue, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So why
Clear.
regarding meta tag, just you can tell that it will help in the searching criteria, and mostly
Okay.
it helpful for the digital marketing purpose. And then
Okay.
what is digital marketing? Digital marketing, they going to increase traffic in your website. How they will do? You don't know that by which keyword your website will highlight. Okay, we have not idea
Okay.
that how, what user will search and when your website will highlight. Because when you going in YouTube, when you uploading any video, you passing their tag like HTML tutorial, this thing, that thing, different. So same thing made that digital marketing person is also doing. They passing this. Now you can get that idea how HT means which type of keyword we can pass. See, I showing you how we can get the keyword. Suppose that when you searching in Google, okay, just you want mobile keyword, type mobile. Now see what you got. First keyword is mobile. Second, mobile phone 4G, means this type of things say users are searching. Don't think this is your search history. Many things are coming from the user search. Then mobile realme means when you will pass this type of keyword in your website, and when user is going to search with this keyword, your website will highlight. Like mobile phone, mobile gyans, mobile number, mobile under 10,000 or 1 lakh, mobile price Bihar, like this type. Now, this is one criteria. With the help of this, we can get the keyword. Now I showing you another criteria, how to get the keyword. Now see, here it came. In the bottom, it will get mobile phones 4G under 5,000, mobile phones 4G under this, mobile phone 4G Vivo, this all. So you will get many search criteria. Okay, so based on this, digital marketing persons are working. They are checking, then you're passing. Suppose HTML. Oh, sorry. What happened? Yeah. So HTML. Now what? HTML stand. Suppose that HTML tutorial. When you will pass HTML tutorial, you will get. Now see, HTML tutorial PDF, HTML tutorial for beginner, HTML tutorial point, free beginner Hindi. So these are search keyword. Means persons are searching with the help of this. Means not be, means other person on the Google, they are getting like this type of keyword. So with the help of that, we can easily identify. Any doubt? Anyone? Tell me. No doubt. Shivani.
No, sir.
Okay. Praful.
No doubt,
Okay.
sir. No
So
doubt.
okay, so base element. In the case of base element, as like we can tell that this is my base, and after that you can design your structure. We are telling that. So same thing is there. If you have any URL, you can add that URL as base, and after that you can navigate the other page section. As like suppose this one. This is your base URL. Okay. After that, document is there. Then suppose this is for document, then document is coming. Suppose Excel, then Excel will come. Then suppose PPT, then PPT will come. Means what? This is common for all. Correct? Means this is base. And after that, this thing is changing. So in that scenario, we can take this as a base href. Okay. And those things we can pass. You will see that we are doing this thing actually there. Now see there, head. Base href he had passed, and what he had done, HTML w3 school, sorry, https w3school.com, and what is target equal to blank. So if he will get anything after this one, after this base href, it will pass that. Otherwise it will load that one. Okay, so that is the thing. So these are not much more important. No, don't worry. So HTML layout, already I told how we going to design the website. These things you will get slowly. Just to go through this documentation. Nothing is there. Don't worry regarding understanding purpose. Nothing. Everything, whatever was required, I told everything. Now HTML input type. Already we had discussed. Correct or not? These all type. Yesterday. Anyone have a doubt?
Sir. No, sir.
We had discussed these all things. Correct?
Yes.
So
Sir.
in this complete document, we had covered the same thing. So if you want, one time you can go that. Now come to HTML 11. Okay. So here you will see something. If you want to add video, audio, you can use this tag. Okay. Just now this is common. Means this is simple. You can utilize this one. You can see how we can. These are format. Okay. That this type of format it will support. This is not required. What is required? I showing you. This is required. Okay. Means we will pass the video tag outside. Then here height and width, those things. Okay, fine. Next is controls. Okay. Controls, I will tell you what is that. Next is source. Source in the sense regarding the video source. From where that taking as like image. Okay. I don't know whether I have any video or not. I will show that by W3 school itself. That will fine. Otherwise, I have to download the video than those things. Oh my God, again gone back. Where is that? Multimedia. Yeah. So see, in the case of multimedia, we going to display, means we going to add different types of audio, video, and the file format. These all are file format. No need to remember anything, nothing. You have to remember just a tag, how they are going to work. Okay. Suppose here video is there. When you clicking to play, it started. Okay. How you will do that? Now see, try yourself. Just you can verify. What they had done, they had taken one tag video. Okay. In video, they had passed the height and width. Do one thing, increase this height. Sorry, width 400 pixel. Let's see what it will do. See, it got increased this much. Okay. Do one thing, go with 600 pixel. And let's see. 600, yeah, 600, it become this much. Control, it means regarding the volume control, play button control, regarding those things, control keyboard will work. Now next day, video tag is for the containing that video source, you can tell. Now in one tag, we had a study map. Had you anyone forget or that is in your mind? Somewhere we had a study map. Where anyone have idea?
Yes, sir. Picture tags.
In picture tags.
In picture, okay. And there we had taken area. I think in that tag or somewhere. What was that actually? Where we was taking area, coordinate value and those things.
In same tag, sir. In use map.
Yeah, I think that type of tag was there. So same type here, what we are doing, we are taking outside the video tag and inside we passing all the source. In picture as we had passed multiple image and according to a screen width that was coming. Okay. So same type here also, you will pass one video source and video source is same. Outside tag is source and inside SRC means file location. Any issue up to this? And here type, which type of video this is, how you will get it with the help of file format. This is MP4, so you will pass that video slash MP4. If the video is .ogg, different type format, so you will pass this. Okay, what it will do actually two, means in case of two video, if suppose this video is not supporting your browser MP4 and suppose this video is supporting, so this video will play, this will not play. Let's verify something. Will it work like that or not? So see, we got one video, it's loading. Okay, let's play. Meanwhile, we will do something here. Oh, did Apple fall down? Now see this one. Is this the same? Both videos same? Oh. So see, in both case, both video is working now. Okay, means in the bottom it's showing your browser does not support HTML video. Means when you will get any error, means suppose browser is, if browser have issue, then it will give that warning. If this is not supporting, this file not supporting, it will go with the another file, this one. So, but it's not compulsory that you can add multiple. No need. You can go only one. Then what is this? This is just some link. So it's not an issue. When you clicking this link, it will redirect on some website from where they had taken that. So in video, any issue? How to add that video file? It's normal. It's simple. Nothing is there. We have studied this much tags. Now this is just a simple thing. So see here now regarding control, one autoplay is there. Okay. So with the help of autoplay, when we will pass autoplay, it will not stop when it loading. It will start play. Let's verify what it will do. See, as it get load, it started. And see, button is also not there. We can't do that because control is not there. Okay. So in that case, it will autoplay and everything is fine. Next, muted. Okay. You want autoplay, but you not want the volume. What you will do? You will pass that autoplay. See, autoplay, I want autoplay, but I want a volume to be muted. Mute. Let's run. See, volume is not going. Okay, but control is not there because control tag is not there. Let's do one thing. Add control, whether that will also work or not. Let's see what it going to do. I don't know. No, control is not there. Is any spelling mistake? Let's verify. Something mistake is there. Then control.
कंट्रोल्स होगा भैया सर.
Oh, okay. That was controls. CONTROLS controls. Yeah, controls. So see what happened. Controls is there means you got this pause button and these all things. Autoplay, because due to autoplay, this video getting automatic play while loading. Second is muted. That's why volume is mute. Now I will show one more time this one. Run this. Now see, autoplay due to autoplay, controls due to controls, and muted due to muted. Correct? Are you getting volume from here when it's playing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next day. Actually, in some interview question, they are asking this thing. That if you want to play control, how to control, and these all things. So same type in the video section. Same thing. You can pass this. What is there in place of video? Now you have to pass audio. Okay. And let's go with this also. Same thing, audio. Then it will look like this. My God, horse is laughing. Then what was another? Autoplay. It will start playing. Okay. Muted. It will mute. Any issue in this one? Then again audio format. No issue. Any issue? Now tell me.
No, sir, no issue.
Oh, I think audio video is fine. Okay. So same thing. What is this? Nothing is useful. Just left. Then again YouTube. I told already how to embed YouTube. If you want, I can go with one more time. Which tag we had taken actually that time? You have idea? So see up to day HTML 11 we had covered, means HTML finish. Now you can start interview on HTML developer. Then who going to start it tomorrow? First interview.
Samir Raja.
Okay.
Ivanic
What
in
about?
the house.
Oh, good. Okay. So what was the one tag regarding adding frame inside our frame? What was that actually? Tag name? iframe.
Iframe.
Yeah. So go with iframe, and what we can do? We can add our screen. How to add? Take
Dot
that.
slash.
3/. Let's verify what we get. Where is that? Yeah. So we get here. Okay. This is my screen. Due to that one. So I want to add Google Map. How to do that? Anyone idea? How to do? Actually, in that recording session that day, I think that had missed due to that in last moment recording had got stopped. So how to add Google Map? No idea. Google Map, no idea.
Sir,
We will go on.
search and Google Map. Then
Google
we will
Map.
search an
Yeah.
area
Now you
where
can
we want.
search any area.
Yes.
Nyanmani.
I giving you
Rajgir.
tourist place. I giving you
Rajgir.
tourist place. You can go.
Sir, you give always your place name.
My place name.
Yes.
Patna, sir. Golghar.
Don't give my place name. Otherwise, everybody will come my home. Okay. So this will come there. Okay. What we will do? We will click on share. See, I showing you the process. Whatever you want, you can search there. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
after searching, click on this one.
Share.
Okay. Share.
Copy.
Click on share and 1 second. CHI Sanchi Astup.
Again, you are giving your place name. I know.
Yeah, Vishwasanti Astup. Now click on share. You can get this. After this one, go in, click on embed map. Okay. And now copy this HTML code. Okay. And pass wherever you want. I want to add here. Okay. Pass there. Now go and verify whether you getting that or not. Where is that? This one came here. Okay. Now this become your yeah.
Please show the process again. Slowly.
That time you were sleeping. Okay, no issue.
Maybe.
Okay, tell me your area. Tell me your native just now. Where are you?
Madhepura.
Betia.
Wait.
Yeah.
I'm not going to enter your name in the ration card. Hold on. Okay, Madhepura. We searched. Okay, see what we had done. We had searched that thing in the Google. Okay. After that, just hit enter. If you want your current location, don't do anything. I think maybe with current location you will get directly. Yeah, location live also it will give, I think. What is this? This is different. Oh, it gone somewhere. Okay. MADHEPURA. Okay, we searched this area. After searching, we will get something. After that, click on share. Okay. After clicking share, you will get this one. Don't go this one. Click on embed a map.
Yes.
Okay. This will give you code. Copy this, copy HTML. This one, click on copy HTML and paste wherever you want. So where we want, always try to give inside div. Take div. Don't pass outside and pass the value and save. Now see. Now see this area came. Okay. When you clicking this, you will get the direction. So now next is that YouTube. And one thing, you want to reduce the size. See here, height and width. Okay, you can do
So
that
yes,
also. So now I want 200 and this also like 200. Okay, save. Now see where that gone. Oh, 200. Okay, in the bottom. So we got this one. Okay, here it came.
yes, sir.
Make this also 200. Otherwise, you will tell my village you had put it in the small size. Okay, so this also came bottom both. Now I want to add YouTube video. How we will do? Any idea?
So copy the link in like this.
First go on YouTube. Okay. Then go in your library or whatever video you want. I'm going to take any videos. Then you can share. Okay, same type
Yes, sir. Link
share, but where is that?
embed.
Yeah, again embed. See, when you will see that in all code, iframe tag is there. Whether you are going in map or here in all that one. So now we can copy this, and after copying, otherwise direct just you can press this one, and after this you can
Take
wait.
one.
Wait 1 second. Let me go that day 0. Otherwise, this is actually hidden. For me, it will work. Oh, need to go on create.
Take a
Yeah, that's. History or your video library. I think here we will get. Then day 0. Okay. Yeah, take this one. We can get that. Then click. Then take this. Then copy this one. Okay.
Sir, if I take link without embed,
Then it will not
then
work. Then that is
okay.
different thing. You have to take embed link.
What a simple answer.
So now you can take a div. After div, you can pass that.
Okay.
No if and exclude if and else to the point answer. Now save. After save, you will get that video. Okay.
Super.
Yes, sir.
And now you want to make a border, boundary, this thing, everything will be available in here in the code. Where is that? YouTube video player. Okay, founder frame border is 0. You can pass here frame border just to see what it will do. See, you got this. Some frame is there on
Yes,
the
yes.
side.
Got it.
Yeah, that is due to that one. Allow. See, autoplay tag. Just now we had seen autoplay is there. Okay, picture in
View.
picture. What it will do? It will give you some space. Small area is coming. Okay, that one. Then width and height. Okay, let's I think border is not there, but it will be. I think we can pass a style also. That's not the issue. Just to go like border. Let's see what it will do. 2 pixel. Okay,
Solid.
then don't go sorry,
Solid.
different dotted, and then go with green, green. Yeah, save. So see, dotted came.
Yes,
And so whatever we want as our wish, we can make that. So any doubt in this one?
No doubt.
sir.
HTML यूज कैसे करते हैं? कैपिटल लेटर और स्मॉल लेटर में HTML लिख देंगे, यूज हो गया.
बहुत भारी क्वेश्चन है. कौन पूछा है इतना भारी क्वेश्चन?
The recording is still going on.
Yeah. Okay, not an issue. Recording is for our purpose. It's not going for publicly. Okay. So anyone have any issue?
Yes, sir.
No issue. Okay. So going to stop the record.